Good morning guys, David here from Sunshine Acres. Today's the day. I've grown some balls and we're going to have a go at this hill climb. Just to give you an idea of how steep it is, I'm going to walk up here and place the camera for you. Not only is it a test of hill climbing ability, it's also a test of traction. The ground is quite powdery, as you can see. So this is a test of climbing and traction. Now it probably doesn't look as steep as it could be. But if you have a look at that, I think she's pretty steep. Give you an idea. Maybe if I hold it. There. So, wish me luck. One of the other things we have to be careful about is when we go over these sticks. You can lose traction on them because they can roll from underneath the track. I think one of the things we have to be worried about is the oil cutting out and cutting the engine out. We are cheating a little bit today because we do have the land leveler attached to the 4-in-1. Oh, it's absolutely done that with ease. Nothing to worry about. I don't know why I was so scared. Maybe we'll come back and try it in the rain, hey? Now I'd normally leave this for hangover Sundays, but today's Saturday, it's just before Christmas. There's plenty of time for some hangovers and some stupid shit. If you've got any ideas, if you want to see me do some other stupid shit on this machine, maybe drop some ideas in the comments. Thanks, like and subscribe.